Think Singapore's all skyline views and beautiful parks? Let me prove you wrong. Here, culture starts at the table. From early morning kopi and kaya toast to iconic hawker centers and yes, even McDonald's, this video will show you how to eat well for just a few dollars. This is where Singapore truly eats, and today, so do we. First stop, Kun Kaya Toast. This isn't just your regular breakfast, it's a legacy. In 1926, a 15-year-old named Lau Pa Sat arrived in Singapore from Ainan with nothing but a suitcase and big dreams. He was a determined young man that started as an assistant at a coffee stall and then opened his own business serving toast, eggs, and coffee. His wife later joined him, perfecting the kaya recipe still used today. Kun has moved around the city over the years, but its heart stayed the same. Simple food served with kindness from one generation to the next.
Salgado e doce. É bom para caralho.
É tipo, comes uma torrada com manteiga e açúcar. Eu não pedi o café, mas pedi honey lemon tea.
In total, we spent 11.5 Singapore dollars for our meal set and my honey lemon tea. Not bad, huh? Next stop, Chinatown Complex. One of the largest hawker centers in Singapore, it has over 200 stalls and a whole lot of good food. We started with Zhongguo Lamyan Xiaolongbao, where you can actually watch the dumplings being made by hand. We went for the pan-fried ones, 10 dumplings for just a few dollars. Then of course, we couldn't miss Hawker Shan, once the world's cheapest Michelin-starred meal. We ordered the famous soya sauce chicken rice, and yes, you'll want to hear what we think.
Isto é os melhores dumplings da minha vida. Easy.
Isso também é muito bom. Qual é o nome disto?
Soy sauce chicken.
A lot of bone. Isso é tipo frango cozido, mas depois tem aquela cena por fora. O frango é só frango cozido. A piada é um molho. É frango cozido. Fala aí um bocadinho sobre os dumplings.
It's very juicy, very fragrant, and it goes perfectly well with the ginger and vinegar. It's really something else. I never tried dumplings like this before. Recommend.
É, deixa eu ver um destes. I'm really bad with chopsticks. Best dumplings of our lives indeed. I think the dumplings are really good, but they're really greasy. It was like 8 Singaporean dollars. Jet lag for 10 dumplings. The chicken was $3.50, so really affordable. How's the chicken?
It's different, but still just boiled chicken. The sauce is amazing.
It's coffee time!
So this coffee is strong coffee, but it's rich, not super toasted. It's like actually good coffee, not toasted to appear good. It has condensed milk, which brings out some sweet flavors on it, but it's not overly sweet. It's actually pretty balanced and pretty good. Really full-bodied flavor, and the condensed milk is actually pretty different from we are used to in Europe, but it's really good. It's really good.
How much was it?
$1.50 Singapore.
Cool.
Really nice.
The next day, we stopped for some refreshing sugarcane juice made right in front of us by the kindest uncle. We also grabbed a calamansi juice, both super refreshing in the Singapore heat. One thing we noticed, people here are genuinely kind. Uncles will smile, chat, and if they see you struggling with cash, they might even offer to pay for your drink. Seriously, Singapore's food isn't just good. The people make it even better. And speaking of kind uncles, right after we met another legend, this time at a char rice stall. He was so excited that we were filming, he gave us a full-on VIP behind-the-scenes tour of how he prepares the meat. It smelled amazing, and the way he handled that roast pork, pure passion. Next stop, my absolute favorite stop, Shanghai fried xiaolongbao. I ordered the pan-fried buns, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say the most amazing buns of my life. Crispy on the bottom, juicy on the inside, little flavor bombs that absolutely blew my mind. If you try just one thing at Chinatown Complex, make it this. And of course, we had to go back for round 2. This time we ordered the steamed xiaolongbao from the first dumpling stall. It was juicy, delicate, absolutely worth the return trip. And from Hawker Centre, we went for the pork rib rice.
How is it?
It's very sweet, very spicy, like sweet and sticky ribs. I don't know, it's the best meat I've had so far. Actually, in some time, coming from Portugal, this is saying a lot. But I'll definitely recommend chashu, the ribs. I'd say it's a lot better than the chicken, but for each their own, so cheers.
To wrap up our Chinatown food adventure, we went for a satay. We grabbed a few sticks from CMY satay at just 80 cents a piece. We also got some rice. I mean, it doesn't get more affordable than that. Not the best satay we've had, but for the price, pretty hard to beat. Also, if you're a beer lover like we are, you can find cheaper beer in the Chinatown complex. After Chinatown, we headed to Lim Market and Food Center, hoping to try the famous Din Tai Fung. But we were too late. It had already closed for the night. No worries though, we will get to try it later in Malaysia, so stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, we decided to go for Mackey's. Yup, we always check out the menu in every country we visit. So, Singapore's had a few surprises.
Shaker fries. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. A bit small. It looked bigger in the picture, didn't it?
Yeah.
I have no idea. And then we got these fries here. I'm gonna try them. These are actually really delicious. You definitely need to try these.
Crinkle cut fries.
Crinkle cut fries. Really good. I love it. Yum.
Pimento.
See? Told ya. What's that?
Jasmine tea.
Just the smell is amazing. It tastes like that tea that we usually get in Chinatown in London. So we got two of the same burgers, buttermilk feast, and you basically pay for everything that you get. Like, you pay extra for the chips and for the drinks. Yeah, you do. I asked for the same drink but small size. He asked for a banana pie and 2 honey mustard sauces, and it came up to 27.55 Singaporean dollars. Expensive. Well, it is Singapore. I'm gonna try this now. How's your burger?
Só mesmo fresco fora do mesmo.
It's got this cabbage, and then fried chicken, lettuce, and sauce. It's got pineapple there. I'll give it a try. It's not the best I've had because the best was in Switzerland.
No.
But this is pretty good.
Okay, good.
No. No way. Só fresco. Lá ainda sabia mais. Não sabia a mega de frango.
Well, he's saying this one is better. I'm saying Switzerland is better. You can also find these sauces. What are these? What are these?
That's chili sauce
And
on tap, and this is ketchup on tap. Let's see how it compares to Europe. Ketchup. It's McDonald's ketchup. It's nice as usual.
chili.
Oh, it's a bit vinegary, but not over the top. It's quite nice. Not sweet at all. I expected it to be sweet for some reason.
Yeah.
Probably because of the color.
Maybe if you mix it with
Really
with the ketchup.
Good idea.
Better?
Chili ketchup. It's a bit spicy.
But what did you think of the chicken? It's very tender, nice and tender. It's not like, you know, those chicken nuggets that they taste like paper.
It tastes like real chicken, and you see that the chicken parts are different from each burger. It's really fresh tasting, really peppery, and really crispy. It's super nice. It goes super well with the pineapple and the crunch of the cabbage as well.
It does taste a lot like black pepper. But I still think the Switzerland one is better. We wanna see the banana pie. Banana pie. Bring it.
Let's go then, boys. Banana pie, everyone.
Try. It tastes like banana.
If you ever had fried banana from a Brazilian restaurant, it tastes exactly the same inside McDonald's pie. Super crispy, super amazing. I would definitely recommend it if you like banana and fried banana.
After we left the market, we spotted a sugarcane juice machine, and of course we had to try it. It's practically a rite of passage in Singapore. And honestly, we prefer the one from Chinatown Complex, maybe because it was handmade with love. Either way, sugarcane juice is a must.
Well, to be honest, I think it's really sweet. And I've tasted sugarcane before, but I don't know. I think maybe they added some flavor to it. Maybe I'm wrong.
Can be a different flavor according to the location on the planet.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but I wouldn't buy it again.
Melon ice cream.
Then we also tried the viral melon ice cream and a peach bubble tea. 'Cause why not? Another dish we really wanted to try in Singapore was laksa. While we were exploring gardens, by the way, we stumbled upon a dino-themed Michelin-endorsed food court. Only in Singapore, right? Inside, we found a hawker centre stall that had laksa on the menu, so we went for it. Laksa is a creamy, spicy noodle soup made with coconut milk, rice noodles, prawns, and fish cakes. It was surprisingly affordable for a Michelin-rated meal. And these are our thoughts. 1 laksa for 2. Spicy AF.
Very coconutty.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat it. Shrimpy! Is that bean sprouts?
Yep.
It's got egg, it's got shrimp, it's got noodles, bean sprouts, and tofu. And you were saying?
The tofu really sucks up all the coconut and curry flavors. It's super spicy, but super good as well. Definitely recommend.
This is what happens when you eat spicy food. As long as it doesn't go your throat,
Yeah.
it's okay. The tofu is a bit weird because it's meant to be spongy, but it's not. It's like French toasts. It's exactly the same texture. But don't mind me because I'm very picky with my food. Fish cakes! Fish cakes! I can see why this had a Michelin star. The noodles are really...
Al dente.
Yeah, but they're also smushy. On the inside, it's really soft, but then it's not soggy. Squishy is the word. Yum! Look at all the spices. Well, this is definitely the best laksa I've ever had. It's also the first. Definitely enough for 2 people. How much was it?
$9.60.
We're now headed to Lau Pa Sat. We came here for the legendary satay street just outside the market. We went with Uncle Steven's stall, hi uncle, and ordered a mixed set for 4 people. Each of us paid just 10 Singapore dollars. But we're not quite done yet. We need to head inside and check out the rest of Lau Pa Sat. The place is massive, with 80 stalls offering everything from local favorites to international dishes. One of the highlights? Hong Kong-style Chee Chang Fun, a family-run stall that's been recognized in the Michelin Guide. We ordered the char rice roll for just $4.50, and it was so good we went back for seconds.
Yum! Henry, where's this from again?
Lau Pa Sat. It's really good. It has Chinese sausage, as you can see here. Some egg, some crunchy greens, don't ask me what it is.
Green onions.
Some bean sprouts as well. Again,
Fish cakes.
don't ask me what the things are, but it's really good. It has some dark soy sauce, goes really well with everything, and it brings the dish all together. It's really good. And some egg as well, I believe, mixed in the mixture.
Time for dessert. We had chendol, a classic Southeast Asian treat made with pandan jelly, coconut milk, and palm sugar. We didn't love it, but to be fair, we only tried it once. Maybe we just need to find the right stall.
Unicorn, cornetto, and
Apple crumble, cornetto.
unicorn. Cotton candy unicorn. Me like it. And it has a pink thingy. Yeah. He's gonna love it.
It really tastes like apple crumble.
Yeah. I like this one better. What's that?
Calamansi juice. It's different. I don't know why it's blue, but it's different. It's like citrusy, orangey. I'd say like watermelon and orange mixed somehow. It's different, but it's refreshing. It's what I need right now.
Let's see what the fuss is all about. Ooh,
Oh, wow.
fluffy.
Ok. Percebo agora. Não estava à
It's like-
espera de gostar tanto disso.
It's like eating a warm cheesecake with
It feels like a cloud.
a cakey texture on top, but fluffy like a cloud. That's exactly it. This is really good. Look at the texture.
Before you go, a quick tip. Most hawker centers only take cash or GrabPay, so download the app and top it up in advance. I can do a short video on that as well if you want me to, so just comment below. And don't forget to always carry tissues. Napkins and toilet paper aren't a guarantee in food markets and public toilets. If you haven't seen it yet, check out my previous video on how to visit Singapore on a budget and hit subscribe for more food and travel content. And hey, I just hit 100 followers, and to celebrate, I'm giving away a free Singapore food guide PDF to anyone who follows and comments. I want the food guide. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.